When you're out camping, tailgating, or even facing a surprise power outage at home, having a portable stove isn't just convenient, it's a total game changer. Seriously, whether you're heating up some soup under the stars or boiling water when your kitchen's out of commission, a solid portable stove can make life way easier. Today, I'm breaking down 7 of the best portable stoves you can get your hands on right now. Trust me, these are the ones you'll actually want to use, not just stash away. And hey, if any of them catch your eye, all the links are down below in the video description so you can check them out for yourself. Let's dive in. First up, the Gas1 GS3400P. This little beast is all about versatility. It runs on both butane and propane, which means you're covered no matter what fuel you've got lying around or what's available locally in an emergency. I have to say that flexibility is a total lifesaver when you're off-grid or your local store only has propane left after a storm hits. It comes with a sturdy carrying case and features automatic piezo ignition, no fumbling with matches or lighters, even if your hands are freezing or soaked. The flame control is super responsive too, letting you go from a light simmer to a roaring boil in seconds without wasting precious fuel. The design feels durable without being too heavy to carry easily, and setup is almost laughably simple. If I had to nitpick, I'd say butane can get a little stubborn in colder weather, but that's more a fuel issue than the stove itself. For anyone who needs a reliable, no-stress cooking solution for both camping and emergency prep, the GS3400P absolutely delivers on all fronts. Now, while the Gas1 shines with fuel options, the ChefMaster camping stove cranks up the heat, literally and figuratively. This stove blasts out a massive 15,000 BTUs, which honestly puts a lot of its competition to shame right from the start. Plus, it's built with a double wind guard that keeps your flame alive even when the weather's doing its worst. The piezo click ignition is fast and smooth, and the whole unit feels tough enough to survive a few accidental drops or rough handling out in the field. You can really tell it's designed with serious outdoor cooks in mind. This one is butane only, so you don't get dual fuel flexibility like the GS3400P, but what you do get is sheer cooking power. Picture a windy beach barbecue. While everyone else is struggling with their flames and wrestling with aluminum foil windbreaks, you're over there whipping up burgers like a pro. If you want power without fuss, the ChefMaster's got your back and then some. It's also worth noting that despite its strong flame, it maintains a surprisingly good fuel efficiency when cooking at lower heat levels. If classic, simple, and reliable are more your style, the Coleman Classic camping stove might be your perfect match. This is your good old single-burner stove, updated just enough to stay competitive in today's world of gadgets. It's portable, solidly built, and it comes with its own carrying case for easy storage and transport. What stands out here is the no-frills reliability. It might not have the mega BTUs of the ChefMaster, but it fires up consistently and keeps your cooking straightforward and stress-free. Imagine a calm evening at the campsite, you pull this out, set up dinner without a hitch, and enjoy the peace and quiet with the scent of fresh pine in the air. Compared to the ChefMaster, it's definitely a little lighter on power, but if you want something that's dependable and uncomplicated, the Coleman Classic is the way to go. And hey, sometimes simple is exactly what you want when you're tired, hungry, and just looking for an easy hot meal. If you're thinking, I need something even more flexible but with some serious muscle, the Grill Boss Dual Fuel Portable Stove should be on your radar without a doubt. It handles both propane and butane like the Gas1, but it steps up with a powerful 12,000 BTU output, and it brings a rugged, no-nonsense design that's built for work. This is the stove you want for bigger meals or small groups when one burner needs to do the work of two. The setup is simple, the ignition is reliable, and the flame is strong and steady even in tricky outdoor conditions. Picture this: a rainy weekend camping trip where everyone's crowding under the canopy. You've got the Grill Boss going strong, serving up steaming pots of chili and hearty stews, keeping the crew fed and happy while the storm rages outside. It's a little bulkier compared to something like the JoeFef, but that extra weight brings extra cooking power, making it a fantastic choice for more serious outdoor chefs or anyone who doesn't want to compromise on meal quality even in rough conditions. Speaking of portability, if you're all about lightweight and compact setups, the JoeFef camping stove is going to be your best friend in the wild. It puts out 9,500 BTUs, which is plenty for quick meals, morning coffee rituals, and last-minute hot drinks on cold nights, and it's super easy to carry around. I'm talking backpack-friendly here. Seriously, it feels like carrying a paperback novel. This stove shines for solo campers, hikers, or even folks who just want something small in their emergency kit. Imagine this. You're perched on a rocky outcrop, watching the sunrise with a hot cup of coffee you brewed up on your JoeFef stove. It doesn't get much better than that. Unlike the Grill Boss though, it's butane only, so you do sacrifice some fuel flexibility for that ultra-lightweight convenience. But if travel weight and absolute simplicity are your priorities, the JoeFef delivers in spades. Now, if you like the vibe of the Gas1 GS3400P but don't really need dual fuel, the Gas1 GS1000 might fit even better into your adventure kit. It's a butane-only stove, but it's lighter, even simpler, and still has fantastic heat control across a broad range of temperatures. It's super easy to operate thanks to its automatic ignition system, and it offers very precise flame adjustments so you don't end up burning dinner, or worse, undercooking it. Imagine you're hosting a backyard picnic. You pop this guy out for some quick stir-fry action, impressing guests with how fast and evenly it heats. Everyone's amazed at how quickly and easily you're pulling it off while their charcoal grills are still struggling to light. Unlike the GS3400P, you won't have the backup option of propane, but for pure ease and affordability, the GS1000 is a top-tier choice. Finally, the Gaspow dual-fuel portable stove rounds out our list with some serious rugged charm and dependability. This stove handles both propane and butane, offers a solid 10,000 BTU output, and comes with a carrying case plus a handy wind blocker that's surprisingly effective. It's designed for people who don't want to stress about the weather, the fuel type, or complicated setups. It's got automatic ignition too, making it really user-friendly when conditions aren't ideal. Imagine being in the middle of a camping trip during a surprise thunderstorm. You're soaked, tired, and hungry. You pull out your Gaspow stove, fire it up without a problem, and get that warm meal going fast while everyone else is still struggling to get a spark. That's the kind of reliability you want when you're counting on your gear. Compared to the Gas1 GS3400P, the Gaspow offers a similar dual-fuel flexibility, but feels even a little sturdier, like it's ready for years of rugged adventures and heavy use. So, how do you choose the right one? If you need maximum flexibility and dependability for emergencies or long trips, the Gas1 GS3400P is easily the top pick. If pure cooking power matters most and you need to beat the wind and cold, the ChefMaster's monster 15,000 BTUs are hard to ignore. For simple, straightforward camping or light emergency backup, the Coleman Classic is fantastic and refreshingly uncomplicated. Big meals, groups? Go for the Grill Boss. It handles heavy-duty work with ease. If lightweight travel is your game and you hate carrying extra pounds, the JoeFef camping stove should be first in your pack. Want unbeatable simplicity and precision on a budget? The Gas1 GS1000 is a great call. And if you're all about rugged, weatherproof, dual-fuel reliability for every kind of emergency, the Gaspow dual-fuel stove is the ultimate all-rounder. Remember, you'll find links to all the stoves down below so you can check the latest deals and pick the one that fits your adventure best. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, smash subscribe for more gear reviews and outdoor tips, and I'll see you in the next one with even more essential gear breakdowns.